Hello Libra, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here today with your love guidance and spiritual messages from June 16th to the 30th. We're going to talk about love, okay? Keep in mind that we're only going over two things: the feelings, how you and your person of interest feels about each other, and then how you both see each other. And this is always about love interests, people who you want to be with, people who you're trying to be with, not necessarily meant for relationships and marriages. However, if some of these things resonate with your situation or story, then feel free to listen, and because it still may apply to your life. All right, Libra. So, all Libras, all right, let's get started. How do you feel about this person? The focus is more so on you during this time. However, we're going to get into more, details about what's going on. But I do sense that right now you could be really needing to relax, really chill and really relax, really take a seat or two. Okay. You could be needing to practice like mindfulness, yoga. Some of you could be getting into breathing techniques and stretching or bending, spas and things like that, massages. You could be getting into self-care. I do get a sense that, some of you are really indulging on you at this time. You are splurging on yourself. And listen, I am all about that. Like, I absolutely think that people need to take time out of their lives to just be a lady, okay? Or just be a man, right? Take time out to just do whatever it is that you want to do if you have the ability to. And if you don't, make time. So I get a sense here that you guys are, open to being at peace. Like, someone around you is encouraging or influencing you to be more at peace. This could be a love interest that you have that wants you to feel this way, or it could be someone else. It could be a colleague, it could be a friend, it could be a family member, it could be someone that you know at your local grocery store. But someone's like, listen, you really need a break. Just take a break for a minute, relax, okay? So you could be getting that type of thing come up if people have been noticing around you that you've been needing that, or you're overdue on some things just to take care of yourself better. You could, when it comes to romance, you could I'm seeing hands. So some of you could be holding hands with someone, going on dates, or you could be getting proposed to. Congratulations if you do. This could happen at this time, or it could be happening soon. Some of you could be getting married. Someone's changing their ways for you, I feel, Libra. And yeah, they're changing their ways, or you could be changing your ways. And so there is a theme here that you're going to be learning about shifting perspectives when it comes to the people around you, and specifically in your love life. You're going to learn that the way you see things is not always the right way. Someone around you is going to learn that the way they see things, maybe the way that they see things are going to reveal to this person around you that you guys just are two totally different people, and that the way one thinks versus the other, it doesn't matter, because you're two totally different kinds of people. You hold two different kinds of roles in each other's lives and in the world. You guys are different. So maybe you are more of a logical thinker because you're a Libra. All Libras are logical thinkers. It will never make sense fully to neither one of you when both of you are in two totally different realities and on two different hierarchies here, or levels, okay? Understanding perspectives. And I hope that helps you shift your perspective. So how does your person feel, okay, Libra? This person feels like quite the jokester when it comes to you. And I think that this person you're interested in is going to be joking with you a lot in order to help you relieve some pain or some stress. Or this person's going to possibly do this to avoid a confrontation with you. It's something about not wanting to push your buttons, or not wanting to push the hot button when it comes to you, wanting to smooth over things. So this person is having a good time, making you laugh or smile, and always thinking about you or how you make them feel. They feel happy, they feel excited about you and everything that you do in the connection with them. The way you make this person feel on the inside is really amazing. You treat them with much needed respect, and you make them want to do the same for you. You make them want to respect you too, because you respect your lover. You know, they're like, I've never had a lover who not only loves me, but they really do respect me. So that's how they look at you. It's like you're even starting to, I'm telling you, there is something about you shifting your perspective in this connection that is making you really attractive. It's going to make you more attractive and way more desirable to your person, because you're not going to be focused so much on trying to challenge this person. You're going to be focused on really letting this person be who they are, and you be you, and you stay in a woman's role and they stay in a man's role. And you're going to actually really love this feeling inside for yourself. And this is going to teach you a lifelong lesson as well about competition and what is healthy competition and what is not. Because I'm sure sometimes in the past you could have done this to this person or made this person feel like this, and it didn't turn out well for you. And, you know, it could have created something bigger that you didn't mean to. Probably wasn't your intentions, but it's your natural way. So now it's like you're going to learn a lifelong lesson during this time where you're learning like, okay, this whole perspective shifting here. It's like a major theme, but I'm telling you, it's going to bring out the most beautiful parts of you, the most beautiful parts. So how do you see this person? You see this person as your ultimate lover, totally in love with this person, your twin soul. You definitely see a similarity with this person. And it's like you've met your match. It's like this person, you look at them, it's like looking at yourself, because they too kind of need to shift their perspectives and how they see things too. And they need to kind of understand that you two are going to see things differently, right? This is bringing out a side of you that this person didn't think you had, which is your ability to accept, your ability to let go, your ability to release, your control issues, Libra. It's going to allow them to feel like, you know what? I love this person. It's like that's the one thing that this person was missing. The one thing that this person had too much of, which meant that something was missing. So this person experienced a little bit too much of your control. And that is what kept them kind of like away or distant or pushing back or not really coming forward or intimidated or not really wanting to be romantic with you or passionate with you. It's like you have this with this individual, but I know that the way you see this person is they're just like you. They are actually the same way, but in a different way, from a different kind of perspective. However, I know that you love this person unconditionally, and this is really your person. I could tell, because you two definitely are mirroring each other when it comes to the way you both want the relationship to move, the way you both want it to flow, the way you both want to try to make everything better, but kind of sort of in the past made it worse because you two come in it with the same type of energy with two different perspectives trying to achieve the same or similar goal, and it ends up being a clash because you two are not shifting your perspectives. So either it's like shift the perspective or learn to let go or release your need to control. And both of you, if you can both do this, that'll be amazing. So how's this person seeing you? This person sees you as someone who, if you have strong earth placements like Virgo, Capricorn, or Taurus in your chart, then this is someone who sees you having like this sense of grounding about you, stability about you, and loyalty about you. Not only that, but you're pretty firm when it comes to certain things. But this person also feels like you're very real. You're very authentic to who you are. And I feel like this person sees something in you that is different from what you see in you. Again, they have a different perspective of things. This person sees a more creative side of you that you have yet to release. I feel like there is a business pursuit or an artistic pursuit that this person knows you should go after. You have other talents. This is someone who I kind of feel is trying to sway you out of a particular career that you've settled yourself in. They could be trying to make you think about other things that you could be getting involved in that's more fitting for you. Maybe you're with someone who sees you in a more creative industry, but you're stuck in an academic setting, or you're stuck in a legal setting, or law, or something else, healthcare or something. Like, this person sees that you're doing something that it's not really suitable for your kind of personality. And what it's doing is it's pulling all your beautiful qualities out of you, or it's like removing things, because where you are, you can't really be who you want to be around who you're around, or in the kind of atmosphere you're at. They want you to be the you that they fell in love with, the you that they know you to be, all the way around the board. Not just when you're at home with them, not just when you're out on a weekend, but they need to see the you that they know you are 24/7. And the way that you are at work, or whatever it is that you do in the world, they're not seeing those beautiful talents be put out for display at this time. You come across a bit strong in your character to this person, and it's typically because you are like this in your work or the position that you have. But if you notice, if this person starts to show you things on social media, creative things that they're into, they're actually kind of trying to see if you like it, to see if this is something that you want to consider. Now, if you're not in a financial position to completely leave your job or industry, this could be this person's way of trying to see if this is something you will pick up as a hobby, or if this is something you want to do, or some type of activity or event you want to attend. They want to bring out the better version of you. They feel like you're not where you belong, and they don't want you to hold back your talents anymore, or keep your talents undercover. This person wants you. They know that you have a multifaceted personality. You can do a lot of different things. You're not just this serious person just because you're a manager or a boss or an entrepreneur. You are actually a really funny person, or whatever, whatever this person thinks. You're like other things. You don't have to just do this. Like, you have this whole other side. And it's like your friends know about this. Your family may know about this. Your coworkers may see you like this. And these people around you look up to you, because whatever it is that you do outside of your work, your 9 to 5 or whatever you do, there's something else beautiful about you and amazing, and you're talented in other things. And this person and all of these people around you are expecting you not to fail them, because they know that if you need more money, you have another way you can, but you just hadn't put the time and effort and energy into doing it. Or if you are normally a more upbeat and happy person, even your kids or your family hadn't been seeing you happy, or as happy as you should be. Even people around you, they know. So this is a time, wow, Libra, I could keep going, and that's what I'm going to do. So get the extended version if you are interested. Check out the link down below in the description box. God bless.